Hi, my name is Reyan. I'm a passionate video editor with a knack for transforming raw videos into captivating stories.
That with 1980. At 33 years old, after a long hiatus, Arnold's legs were a major point of criticism.
Finding that balance between practice and rest is key. It's like finely tuning an instrument. You want to practice enough to improve your skills, but not so much that you risk burning out or losing motivation.
I had the honor of winning the Nas Academy Homework Video Award.
Winner of the homework, it's Reyan from Team Green! Reyan from Team Green.
I have experience working for many international clients such as Hercules Bodybuilding and the Citrus Collective. My approach is simple and unique. I work closely with the client because I know that every project needs to be finely tuned for a certain audience. So if you're looking for someone who can transform a bunch of videos into captivating, marvelous stories, then you're in the right place.